Stock Doc Trade. If you guys haven't already, consider subscribing. I haven't done a trade review in a while, so actually I found NOVN on our morning gappers. We send out this is a screenshot from 7:32, and I actually found this and they had great news. So I actually added it to my watch list and continued to watch it. And out of the gate, it popped up, pulled back, and it formed a solid uptrend. And I stayed patiently. I wanted to get filled here, but I didn't. TD Ameritrade, it didn't fill me fast enough, so I actually had to wait and be a little bit more patient. So what I ended up doing is actually waiting for a run to form. So anyways, we have the first run and then a retracement, and then the second run. And after the second run, what I usually like, I don't like to go, since this was an uptrend, I don't like to trade to think that it's going to continue to go up. That's just personally, I don't like to do that because the sellers or the buyers are starting to lose control. So I was looking for a crack down below this uptrend, and that's where it was right there. With it made a new low from these candles with increasing volume. My first price target was this support level, and this is about a 45 to 50 cent gap that we filled, and that got filled on this trade. So that was a great trade that I made and that my team caught. If you're interested, we are the best #1 trading community for new traders. Alpha chat room. Check it down below. Link below. So what we're actually going to look at is actually another trade that you could have taken that I didn't take because I was making videos. So I actually missed it, but it's all good. I'm not worried about it because anyways, anything will happen. So anyways, what is happening? What do we have here? This is a classic head and shoulders pattern. This is a bearish pattern. So this is, here we have the neckline. We have the first shoulder, second, or the head, and the third shoulder, or the second shoulder. So what we can do is actually measure this, and if we duplicate it, I don't know how to duplicate it. Copy, I guess. Shit. Oh wow. Anyways, it will come down and it reach somewhere down here. So that is what I like to call a head and shoulders pattern. You could have definitely traded that. What you do is enter right here, and as we can see, let's go ahead and get out of this. If we, as soon as it broke that increase in selling volume, you could have definitely caught that move, and then we have a nice retracement on still decreasing volume. So I still wouldn't have gotten out of this trade. You might have taken some profits depending how risky you want to take, because this is still a 20-cent move from where you got in, and that's 20 cents. That's a lot. I would have definitely taken at least a quarter of my profits, move my stop to break even. And then since this is still decreasing, you see this increase in volume, definitely would have taken some profits right at VWAP, and anything below VWAP, taking some more profits. And I definitely would have moved my stop right above VWAP. And that is exactly how I would have taken that trade. If I did trade it, I would have entered on this candle somewhere right here. And that is a we'll do it right here. That's a 67-cent trade. That's crazy. That's a lot. You could have easily gotten that trade. This is a clear formation. So that is one thing that you guys need to watch out for, and you guys need to continue to watch, is these simple patterns that work. And I didn't take this trade again. I told you guys I'm making videos. So it's all good. We had a pullback of VWAP false breakout. So that's pretty normal. But now we're actually looking for that entracement. Actually, excuse me, did not mean to do that. But if we go ahead and actually look, we can see that the volume is actually decreasing too, as well. That's not good. Or that is good if we're trying to short it. We can see that and then we have increasing selling volume. This one hasn't really stopped yet. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel, and you guys can stay up to date on your favorite cryptocurrencies. Love y'all. Peace.